Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now friends. In this video once again I'm talking about the Chiliz. Once again ABS press it with the latest update of the Chiliz. What's the current price of the Chiliz, what's the price changes open the Chiliz, and this video I will show you friends. But before starting this interesting video, I request all of you that please subscribe ABS Tech channel and like this video for more this kind of news and updates videos friends. Let me show you friends the latest update of the Chiliz. What is the current price, what's the price changes occurs in the Chiliz friends. Now the current price of the Chiliz in the market is 0.332163 USD dollar is the current price of the Chiliz. And if we talk about the price changes occur in the Chiliz, so the last 1 hour, last 1 day pricing is going positive, except of these the last 1 week pricing is going negative friends. Now I'm very happy today that the Chiliz continued currently still this jump still here friends. Now it's time the Chiliz is also in the jumping mood. Absolutely I'm feeling very excited to see this kind of changes over in the Chiliz friends. Let me show you friends the chart of the Chiliz what's going. Wow, good. Absolutely, they are in the jumping mode. I hope that they will continue this jump throughout this whole month, friends. If we look the previous trend is okay in the channel, so absolutely the previous trend is also going positive and take a jump. But if you can see here, let me draw my prediction chart to the channels. Take a jump and after jump again fast down for a little time. Now again take a jump. Maybe there is a chances to they fast down for a little time, but after a little fast they again take a jump, friends. Remember that after a little fast they again take a jump, friends. There is chances to they fast down for a little time, but after a little time they will again take a jump, friends. So I'm very happy and I'm feeling positive about challenge, friends. Now if you look the last 1 day, last 24 hours price change is open the challenge, so positive 23.15% price change is going positive in the Chiliz, and 0.341723 USD dollar is the highest price of the Chiliz in the last 1 day and the last 24 hours, friends. So now I really appreciate the Chiliz token in this time in the market, and I recommend for everyone to please don't decide to sell. It's time to hold Chiliz token, friends. What do you think? It's time to hold or sell? Tell me in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos. Thank you so much for watching this interesting video.